Got a new iPhone? Here are 7 easy ways to transfer music between iPhones without iTunes or a computer. For purchased songs, sign in with your Apple ID. For others, use AirDrop, Dropbox, home sharing, or third-party tools. Part 1. How to transfer music from iPhone to iPhone on computer. Way 1. Put music from iPhone to iPhone with iTunes. Connect old iPhone to PC Mac. Open iTunes. Select File, Device, Transfer Purchases. Connect new iPhone. Choose Music. Right-click, Add to Device. Save to new iPhone. Option 2. Using iTunes Store. Sign in with your Apple ID on the new iPhone. Open the iTunes Store app. Tap More, Purchased. Select Music, not on this iPhone. Tap All Songs. Click Download All. Way 2. Share music on iPhone to iPhone with iOS transfer. How do you share music between iPhones without iTunes? A great alternative is iOS data transfer. This program makes it easy to share music between any iOS devices. How to transfer music from iPhone to iPhone via iOS data transfer. Step 1. Open the software on your PC or Mac and connect both iPhones to the computer. Step 2. Select Media and then Music to find the music files you want to share. Step 3. Click Export and select Export to other iPhone to transfer music between two iPhones. Part 2. How to download music from iPhone to iPhone without computer. Way 1. Transfer music from one iPhone to another with Apple Music. If you want to share music with family members who are not around, Apple Music is a good choice. Way 2. Transfer songs from one iPhone to another via AirDrop. Enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and AirDrop. Open Music, select a song, tap Share, AirDrop, choose the other iPhone, tap Accept. Way 3. Transfer songs from one iPhone to another with home sharing. Sign in with the same Apple ID under Home Sharing. Open the Music app. Tap Library, Home Sharing. If not visible, tap Edit and select it. Choose a shared library to play music. Way 4. Send music from iPhone to iPhone via email. Open Mail. Tap Compose. Enter the recipient's email. Tap Attach. Attach the song and tap Send. On the other iPhone, open Mail to download the file. Way 5. Put music from one iPhone to another with Dropbox. Step 1. Upload music. Open the app on your old iPhone. Tap Add Files and select the songs. Click Upload. Step 2. Download music. Open the app on your new iPhone. Select the music and tap Make Available.